Alright, matter and space. We're going to review them. Matter created matter, according to the Big Bang Theory. Matter cannot exist without space. If the Big Bang didn't create space, it shouldn't exist. The Big Bad Boom fails to give a satisfying answer for the existence of space itself, which NASA claims did not exist prior to the Big Bang. Well, space exists in a form of non-existence. Hashtag Big Boom. How's my battery low? It shouldn't be low. A spatial dimension did not exist. If there is no spatial dimension, there is no nothing. If there is no spatial dimension, not even nothing, as hard as that is to imagine, can exist. If there is not a spatial dimension, there's not an anything, and it's with or without Big Bad Boom Bad. Physically impossible for anything to exist where there is no spatial dimension to exist in. Therefore, what the fuck, NASA? You know space is a spatial dimension. It is possible for not even nothing to exist when there is not a spatial dimension for existing things to not exist. Oh wait, it might sound we're mocking how atheists sound, but what I'm saying, if you break down the incoherentness, it makes sense. The exact opposite of atheists. They sound smart, but they're actually saying incoherent stuff. Now I sound like I'm saying incoherent stuff, but it's actually smart. Alright. Time, space, and matter can exist independently of each other, actually, but they can't. Time doesn't exist. It's just a repercussion of space and matter existing. So, Albert Einstein, you can throw that shit in the trash. Albert Einstein's an angel now, but time only exists as the fact matter and space exist. Space had to come first, because if space didn't exist, where would matter exist? And yes, I am saying this while I'm nodding out. That's because the Holy Spirit is speaking through me. It's the Holy Spirit speaking, not me. So therefore, God can handle this. God can hold me down. Matter. It needs space to survive in. Space. If you throw away every piece of matter in existence, space could survive. Alright, space doesn't need matter, nor does it need time. But space exists due to the fact it doesn't exist. Literally. NASA. So nothing existed inside of non-existent nothing, and then nothing exploded, and when two chemicals reacted prior to the existence of matter, therefore prior to the existence of chemicals. Space must exist first. An explosive not yet existing chemical in a yet to be created place, okay, non-existent space, got space. You can't exist. Literally, we're mocking you right now. I keep saying that because I can't even understand what I'm saying, but just listen. It's supposed to make you listen. Okay, a spatial dimension, which, if you ain't got space, you can't exist. Literally, not even nothing existed. And in that environment where not even nothing existed, you expect me to believe a random, out of the woodworks, out of the blue, for literally no reason, no scientific reason, no abstract art creative reason, no reason at all, matter just had a chemical reaction occur between two chemicals that did not yet exist. The only way to talk, for no reason, I mean, God ain't leave the stove on too long, the non-existent hypothetical alien ain't go off, there were not yet chemicals in existence, because chemicals, matter before matter was in existence. NASA said, without a spatial dimension, where matter must exist for anything to exist. No spatial dimension, no existence, period. No spatial dimension, no existence, period. If you do not have a spatial dimension, absolutely, literally nothing, no exceptions, nothing can exist prior to being in a spatial dimension. Because the spatial dimension must exist or nothing can exist.